Hey guys, it's Lane Morgan here, owner of Renown Cargo Trailers, located in Douglas, Georgia. And one of our specialties we do here at Renown is mobile pet grooming trailers. As you can see, we got a brand new bright pink mobile pet grooming trailer. Never seen one like this before. Renown Cargo is the first one to put one out here for you guys. And if you don't know much about mobile pet grooming, this is a great business to generate revenue in your life. We've equipped these trailers to function perfectly out in the mobile industry, and it makes it very convenient for not only the pet, but for the customer and for you as well. One thing, if you'll do some research, when you're operating mobily, you can charge 3 times as much, or the customer is willing to pay 3 times as much for the convenience for you to pamper their dog. A lot of people really care about their dogs, their family members, and they like to treat them to the spa occasionally. So this is what this is. This is a mobile spa for pets to be able to enjoy, get groomed, relaxed, and have a fabulous day while they're getting groomed by whoever's coming to visit them. I'm gonna introduce these two guys to you. This is Garrett McBride here to my right. He's been with Renown for a while, does an excellent job, has more experience and knowledge than I do. He's been doing this even longer than I have. I've been doing this about 10 years. But to my left right here is Cole Knight. He's a superstar on our team as well. When I got in this business, God really did surround me with a bunch of champions, and this is just 2 out of the 11 sales reps that we got here at Renown Cargo Trailers that'll take great care of you if you're interested in purchasing any type of trailer. But today we are looking at these 7x14 and 7x12 mobile pet grooming trailers. We also do a 7x16, and we can go bigger than that if you need us to. So we can customize these things to fit your needs. And like I said, they are fully equipped with everything you need to start making money in the pet grooming business. It is a turnkey process. A lot of other people, there's some copycats out there that's tried to copy our design and copy our model, but it's not the same trailer. We have exclusive rights to this particular trailer. Nobody else in Douglas, Georgia can get their hands on these except us at Renown Cargo. So it is an elite product. I believe it's superior than all the other mobile pet grooming trailers out there. I've sold them all. This right here is the Rolls Royce when it comes to mobile pet grooming trailers. It's not gonna be the cheapest, but it will be the best. And I promise you, you pay for what you get. A lot of times when you buy a cheaper product, you pay for it twice because things go wrong. These trailers have an amazing 5-year warranty. We stand behind our product. If anything were to ever go wrong, I promise you, we've got a real warranty here, and you'll be taken care of greatly. That's coming out of my mouth, so you can hold me to it. But guys, I'm gonna turn it over now to Cole and Garrett and let them show y'all these beautiful, amazing trailers. Look how pink that thing is. Girls, I know y'all are gonna love this. And guys, if you like pink, we got one for you too. But I'm gonna let them take it over from here.
So I'm Garrett. We're gonna walk around the exterior of this thing. And like Lane said, there's nothing comparable to it in the pet grooming market. We've jumped on this thing, we've made some tweaks to it, and really the flow of things kind of works for everybody. We hadn't had any complaints. But what we did, we took an 080 polycore, completely screwless, and then we wrapped it with an 8-year 3M vinyl wrap. This stuff's not gonna fade, it's not gonna peel, it's gonna be there for the long run. And if pink's not your color, we can do something else. And also, if you've got a company logo, telephone number, picture of your dog, bubbles, we can put that in the vinyl as well, doing it in one sheet instead of having to overlay the vinyl. So it's gonna work out better for you in the long run and save you cost up front. We're gonna start and go this way. On the front of the trailer, we've got a steel platform, and it's gonna house your generator. We got a 6,000 watt dual fuel inverter actually, so it's quiet enough. You can run it in these neighborhoods, before 8 o'clock in the morning. People won't even know you're here. It runs off propane or gasoline. Propane, you can get about 2.5 to 3 weeks off of a full tank. Gas, you might get a full solid day, maybe 2 days, depending on how many dogs you wash. And it's real easy to switch back from one to another. There's a dial, turn it propane or gas, and you got either one you want. And this particular one runs off a 50 amp motor base plug, and we've got the plug for it here. Plug it in there into your generator, and you're working. We've got a 5,000 pound Super Brute jack on the front of it that's running this 12 volt battery. Something special that we do that nobody else does, we put a solar panel on top of the trailer that's going to charge this battery, and it's also hooked up to an inverter. So when it's running on 110 power, it is charging your battery, so there is a constant power supply going to your battery. You want to walk on down, we'll show you the rest of the trailer. The dump valve for your waste tank, so when you finish washing your dogs at the end of the day, unscrew this, pull the valve, and the water dumps right out. 5,200 pound drop spring axles, handle plenty of weight, all the weight for the water. And in the back, we'll show you in a minute, we got an 80-gallon water tank. 5,200 pounds is plenty enough. A 30 by 30 tinted slider. We got one on each side, again for cross ventilation. A nice day, you don't have to run the air conditioner. Open it, let the breeze come through and get some fresh air in.
So like Garrett was saying, we have in the back the 80-gallon tank right here. You have your garage vac up here to essentially suck up all the hair for the dog, clean the area up. This right here, a lot of trailers don't have. It's an instant hot water heater. There's a reason we switched to these. Way back when, we like to call this a Gen 3 trailer. We used to have a 6-gallon hot water heater. We like to get feedback from customers, and a lot were saying that they wanted more heat, constant heat. So we kind of made up this design to be able to have on-demand hot water from the propane up front.
If you're in the dog business, you want these dogs comfortable while they're enjoying getting groomed. And I don't know about you, but I don't like taking a cold bath, and neither do these dogs. So one thing that separates us, like I said, we're not the cheapest, but we have perfected this design, I believe now. Anything you start, there's a learning curve with what you start. And when we started doing these about 9 years ago, we've tweaked so many things about it that now I think we've got a perfect product for this particular application. But yeah, constant hot water heater. Not a 6-gallon, but a propane instant constant hot water heater. Got a finished interior too, guys. We've got you a light. This right here we call the utility room, if you will. There's a LED light up top, plenty of receptacles as well. This trailer has a heater in the front. We can also heat this back room too if you're in very cold areas. We can keep this around 65 degrees, so you never have to worry about your water or your tanks freezing as well. So this right here is your water inlet. This is where you will fill up your fresh water tank. You just hook up a water hose and fill it up.
Hey, so as we come in the trailer, I do want to point out the RV pull-out step. So it's easier to get in and out of the trailer. It does sit a little bit higher with these 5,200 pound axles, so it's easy to get in and out. Makes it easier for you and your customer to get in and out as well. Completely finished interior, and we've equipped the top with 12-volt lights. You can see again they're working off that batteries on the front of the trailer, hooked up to an inverter as well as the solar panel, so it doesn't ever go dead. We put a separate heater in these things. The air conditioner with the heat strip worked great, but the heater works better. It saves a lot of energy, saves you time as well, and it heats up great. It's got 3 stages. It's got a high, medium, low, and the thing will run you out of here in the wintertime. This is your clipper vac. It's on a 110 switch.
So right here you have your 52-gallon dog wash station with the grates right here. We use Flying Pig products. A lot of these other companies, like Lane was saying earlier, they use cheaper material. This isn't a cheap material. This isn't a cheap product. This is something that's built to last, something to take care of your dogs. So right here you have your Flying Pig dryer. Typically what people do is walk their dog directly from the tub to the table, lift them up and be able to dry them off. Right here you have your switch to determine how hot you want the tub to be. So you can make it hot, make it cold, but typically the dogs like to take hot baths like we do.
We've also got is that an electric table, guys, right there? Or is that's a hydraulic one?
That's a manual table, but in the next trailer we're going to show you, I'm going to crank that thing up, get power going to it so we can really show you how all the features work in the trailer.
And guys, this thing is finished out on the inside. Polycore interior, not your typical metal. We've got the nice floors as well. These things are insulated. They've got a 15,000 BTU air conditioner on it. And not just heat strips like Garrett was saying earlier. We got an actual heater in here because those heat strips just do not perform. If you've ever had a RV or a camper, they tell you that the air conditioners have heat strips in them. They do, but they are not going to warm this trailer. So that's why we installed an actual separate heater as well to make it function correctly. Couple other things you can do inside. You can put radio systems. This one actually doesn't have a CD player or a Bluetooth speaker system. I'm not sure if the blue one does, but we can install TVs, we can install radio systems, whatever you want customization wise, we can do. We've got also, Jack, turn around and look at these drawers. There's some base cabinet space down here, and then also finished out drawers as well to put all your supplies or your utensils. You've got more cabinet space above Garrett's head up there, and then you've got a remote control to control the climate inside of the trailer as well.
And a lot of what these companies don't have, we kind of install this on our newer models, is a kick plate down here. So while you're traveling, you don't have to worry about your table itself busting up against the wall, making scratches. Try to provide protection throughout the entire trailer itself.
So one of the things that I do love about this trailer, I don't know about y'all, but I've never seen a hot pink enclosed cargo trailer. So if you're running a mobile business, you obviously want to catch people's attention. This right here is an eye catcher, guys. I think the people that are grooming these dogs are going to love this color. We just got it on the lot today. We're excited about where it's going, and we're looking to sell this thing before the end of the week. It will be gone quick, guys. So if you're interested in a mobile pet grooming trailer, give us a call, because these things do not last long. This blue one's actually sold, and I'll let Garrett go around it as well.
So this is a similar outfit. It's a 7x12. We're going to be operating some smaller neighborhoods, tight cul-de-sacs, tight driveways. The customer just wasn't comfortable pulling a 14 or 16 foot trailer, and we get inside and I crank this thing up. You're going to see that it works perfect. It's going to be great for her, 2 or 3 dogs at the time, in and out, man, and make plenty of money. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to fire this up, and I'm going to show you how easy the generator is. We hooked the 50 amp motor base plug up to it. It's got a plug on the side. You see the pull rope, no need for that because it's got a push button start. So the generator is as easy as this. If you got it selected whatever fuel type you want, you're gonna turn the switch to on. And guys, that's quiet enough. You can operate in any neighborhood, 7:30 in the morning, start your business. You don't have to wait till the heat of the day. 6 o'clock at night, people are off work doing your homework. You won't even know they're next door washing dogs.
Another thing we did is we put an electric Husky 5,000 pound jack on this thing. A lot of these we sell to women, and they don't want to have to jack this trailer up and down, back and forth. So we made it real easy for them to be able to unhook and hook to the trailer by putting this 5,000 pound electric jack on it.
Come on in, guys, let's see the rest. We've got a plenty of 12 volt lighting inside, again, running off the battery and running off the solar panel. We got a remote control here for the air conditioner. Turn it high, medium, low, set on 62 degrees. It takes it a minute to start cooling down, but once it does, you'll be plenty comfortable to wash the dog. On this one, we put the heater on the front wall to try to save some space for this clipper vac on this side. Fully electric table, it's not a hydraulic. You don't have to crank or wear your calf muscle out doing it. Get the dog to whatever height you need them. You got the leashes attached, up and down. It's just as easy as that.
And one thing the dogs like about the electric table, if you're interested in purchasing one of these, is it gives them a smooth transition from going to the floor and to the level that you want them at, to where you go to start clipping them or washing. So that electric table gives them a smooth ride from going down to up to the level that you need.
So over here with the clipper vac hooked up in the back, one switch, plenty of suction, plenty of suction. You can clean up the mess in no time, and that's an easy dump bin in the back for the vac as well. The thermostat for the hot water heater, on off switch, on, and you can control the temperature of the water, simple as pushing the button. On and off switch for the 12 volt water pump that's in the back as well. When you're not using it, want to turn it off just so you know that there's no circuit going to it. Soap dispensers and a paper towel holder in this. When you finish washing the dog, it's just that easy. Wash your hands and you're out of this place. 30 by 30 slider windows, one on each side again for cross ventilation.
But you notice these colors are popping. This is what we call electric blue or Pepsi blue. We've got our new hot pink there. And basically, guys, we can about do any color that you want. We're also reaching out to some new suppliers as well that to offer more colors. But guys, this is a great business to get into, and if you're interested, y'all give us a call at Renown Cargo Trailers at 888-287-3954. We've got 11 sales reps on standby. Ask for Cole, ask for Garrett. they can take care of you, or we've got 9 others that know all about these trailers as well. You can find us online at renowncargotrailers.com. We've also got a concessiontrailer.com website. You can find us all over. We're very easy to find. Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. Go check out our YouTube videos. We've got more videos. I think we've got over 300 videos out there, over 12,000 subscribers. And we want to thank y'all for watching our videos, and we look forward to earning your business next. And guys, if you need anything, just give us a call. We look forward to talking to you soon. Until then, y'all know the rest. Y'all please be blessed.